Yo, incoming!
This is bad!
Out of my way! Out of my way!
The eagle has
Too many little men!
Yeah, I did.
last one alive. Lock the door.
All right, yeah.
But you're a
That's a
good
pretty
man.
good job.
Ah!
Come on, I don't have all day.
This is unacceptable.
They're going to find you all dead in the alley with cats licking at you.
Who sent all these babies to fight?
I will eat
Hey,
them
Knucklehead,
up.
you ain't gonna
some
win.
of you.
I know
Guys, they
you're
didn't teach you to duck
I'm
in
afraid
doctor school.
You suck. Maggots.
You disgust me.
Drink it in,
Jar
pal.
man.
That's how failure tastes. Look at you! You already ran to traffic!
It's not fun.
Look at you!
Let there be a bloody lesson to you.
I'm going to butcher you.
Son, I'm gonna blow that dumb look right off your stupid face.
Yeah, I dare you.
You should ought to stay back at your little campsite.
Your fire retardant ass just got dominated. Got your head, the
Oh,
How's
gonna cry?
that
You
doing
gonna
no
cry now?
harm working out?
I'm a killer of
for you
men,
there?
Doc.
You are such...
That is God's honest truth.
Ooh, your gun shoots medicine. It's
Welcome to
intimidating.
the United States of you just got dominated.
Dominated, you
Dominated, you red menace. Go play your
too much
uncle
able
Jesse
to
to the devil.
fight down your own throat, you bitch.
It's not fair to use gun on
He's all big head. Everything above your neck's gonna be a fine red mist.
Now it's our flippin' turn to it grows.
Life O'Reilly.
You bleeding idiots!
I eat your sandwiches. I eat them all. I think I'll take Sasha out for a steak dinner tonight. What do you think about that?
Why waste bullet on such a teeny man?
Oh, the... Dominated, you grease-dripping pork pie!
I'm coming for
That's what you get for touching What's the matter?
Let's do this Texas style.
Eat my dust. Nice hustle, tons of fun. Next time.
That'll cut you back down to stop.
In hell!
Incoming!
Help me, incoming!
This is real freaking embarrassing. No, seriously, you all suck.
I am going to kill you and kill you and kill you. I promise you cannot beat me.
And we'll hit your ass back to Russia.
Oh no! You I do not forget!
Forget about me? Let's hear
Let this be a lesson for you!
some assistance, please!
Oh, incoming!
That's just a one-eyed bloody monster!
Oh, my beautiful head.
Huh?
What's the matter? You freaking stupid?
That was an amazing killing spree.
That's what I'm talking about.
By the other team.
This sucks on ice.
That's some chunky business right there. Come on, help me! Yes!
Love you, man.
Yeah, there he is.
Crack some skulls, I will.
Come! We fight like men. Come, Doctor!
Thank you.
Hit me! I dare you!
Gentlemen,
Now, boys!
So hard!
I'm going to pound you like a porridge.
This will help.
I'm gonna lay you at
Promise? Eddie will now kill you and kill you and kill you.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! You have got to be kidding me.
I should have done this long ago.
Who's the tough guy next?
The burning you feel? It is shame.
Oh, that's
Good one, mate!
I am amused by entire itty bitty teeny team.